How to use Blue Willow and Leonardo AI tutorial. 2 keywords for amazing output. Hello guys and welcome to today's video. In today's video, we will be showing you 2 keywords that would improve your image generation by a lot. So for today's video, we will be using Blue Willow and Leonardo AI. Both of these are AIs that generate image, and we're going to provide you with 2 keywords that would improve your output. So let's get started. Now before we get started with giving you the 2 keywords, we're first going to think of our topic. Now our topic that we could use for today's video is a jellyfish. Now I really like a very simple topic. You could do this on your own, or depending on what type of model that you would like to produce, it's completely up to you. But for me, we're going to go with a jellyfish, a very simple prompt. So we're going to generate an image first. That is a very simple one, jellyfish. And we're going to start with the generation without the extra keywords to show you the difference between the one without the keywords and the one with keywords. Our first one that we're going to do first actually is the Blue Willow one, the Blue Willow AI generation, and then we'll follow it up with our Leonardo AI over here. So let's go here for now. Let's wait for this to generate our image, and then we're going to show you our very first prompt or very first keyword. And as you can see here, we have our jellyfish output over here. Now this time, let's add our keyword. Our very first keyword is bioluminescent light. So we're simply going to do this. Imagine, paste, and then let's say jellyfish. And then let's paste our bioluminescent light here and enter. And then we will compare the difference between the non-bioluminescent light and then the one with a bioluminescent light. And then follow up, we're going to add the neon lighting, which would improve the effect of the bioluminescent light by adding more effects and more visual effects to our photo. And let's see, this is our effect over here. I really like the second one over here. I don't know what happened with the first one, second one, and fourth one over here, but we have our bioluminescent light over here. Now we can try this again. Let's do slash jellyfish, let's say underwater, so that we can ensure that it is underwater. Then let's say bioluminescent light, then click on enter. And let's see what our effects is, because we're trying to keep it underwater, not keep it over water. But this is the normal one. Then let's see with the prompt or the output of the third try that we have right now. Let's give it some time. And as you can see, we have more visual effects over here. I really like the first one, the third one, and the fourth one over here. It has that glow effect on our output, on our jellyfish. And let's compare it with our normal one over here. Now it's not generating a perfect jellyfish, but at least you can see the elements or like the feature of a jellyfish. This is our normal one over here. I think the most jellyfish-like effect is the third one, which is this one. And this is our bioluminescent one over here. It has a blue glow. Now this time, let's add a neon lighting. So let's do imagine. We're going to copy this one over here. Control C. Paste it over here. And then let's go and copy our neon lighting. Do this. Do comma. Then enter. Then let's click on this. And let's see the output this time with a bioluminescent, or I mean a neon lighting. And let's compare the 3 photos that we have generated with Blue Willow. Now, I suggest when generating your image to give it more details compared to what I'm doing now, so that you will have a more direct or a more accurate generation. And as you can see here, we have our jellyfish over here. I think the first one is really great, the second one and the third one over here. The fourth one is also good, but I think my favorite one is the first one. And as you can see, there is a big difference between this one and this one over here. Our our image that has no additional keywords. It has big improvement. As you can see here, it has the glow and has the neon lighting effect. It even has a background and reflection over here. Very good and very amazing. It improved our image drastically. As you can see, this is the basic one. I think the most similar image is the third one. So let's upscale this and compare it side by side. And as you can see, this is the normal one, and this was the fourth one, or like the one with all the elements or the keywords that I have talked about in today's video. And you can see the big difference and the big improvement on this photo over here. Now this time, let's go with Leonardo. we're going to do the same thing. We're going to do the normal one first, under, or let's say jellyfish underwater. Then click on enter and let's see the output of Leonardo AI of what it would look like or what the generation would look like for a normal prompt with jellyfish and underwater. Same thing with what we did with Blue Willow. We're going to copy this and we're going to add it to our output over here. Now, as you can see, this is our normal jellyfish over here. Very plain, very realistic. It has the jellyfish features that we all know. And this time we're going to see it with the bioluminescent light over here. So let's click on generate and let's see the difference. Now while waiting, we're opening our notes over here, copying our neon lighting and adding it over here. And this will show you the output with all the keywords inside. As you can see, bioluminescent and neon lighting over here. And we're simply going to wait for it. And as you can see, this is the one with the bioluminescent lighting. More glow, bluish, and it's better. I think personally this one has more color though, but this is brighter and has more effects. So let's see the difference between the one with the no keywords, the one with the bioluminescent keyword, and the one with all the keywords inside our prompt over here. Although in my opinion this is great, yes, but this has some significant improvement, like the lighting. It's brighter and you could really see that the surrounding area or the sea is really dark. So let's see the difference. And as you can see, there's significant difference between this one and this one over here. This one has more details. The neon lighting added more details and like highlighted the different features of the jellyfish over here, which improved our output drastically, and it is better. Our image did gradually got better and better due to our addition of our extra keywords over here. Now, personally, I think Leonardo AI presented our two keywords better than Blue Willow, but although Blue Willow was able to present good outputs as well, I think Leonardo was the better version for generating or using the two keywords that we have provided for today's video. Now you could use other models. You don't need to follow the models that I have provided. You could use other animals, other items, or even a person if it would work with that. It's completely up to you. So let's try one more time. Let's say a lion in the savannah for the last output for our video for today. So let's click on generate and let's see how it would represent it with the lion, which is a land animal compared to this one, which is a water animal. And let's see the difference between this one and this one over here. If there will be significance different between the environment, because this one is in the ocean and this one will be on the land. And let's see. And as you can see, it's still amazing. It has the bioluminescent, it has the neon lighting. It's amazing overall. And that's it, guys. Those are the two keywords that would improve your output significantly. And I hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.